Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, we will be learning how to message someone on Reado. If you're looking for a way to message someone on Reado, then the process is quite easy. First of all, open the Reado application on your mobile device. Now, after you are logged in, go ahead and tap on the search icon at the bottom of the screen. You can also go to the feed tab and then look for the person or the post that you'd like to follow or message. To message a specific person, go to the search box at the bottom and type in the name of the person or the username of the person at the top. After you make a search for the contact, go ahead and open up their profile, and then you will be able to see the message button which you'll need to press on. Now, go ahead and type down your message in the message thread and send it to the contact. This will send your message directly to the user via the app. You can now continue to chat as long as they respond. That is how you easily message someone in Reado. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.